Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. OMG, we've got Bitcoin on the weekly. It's bullish engulfing. So welcome to the channel, everyone. If you haven't already, subscribe and smash that like button. What we're going to do is kind of an interesting video. Today we're going to compare and contrast Bitcoin when it's made an all-time high and bounced off the 50. We're going to see how much Bitcoin actually bounced. So I'm going to go ahead and do this using historical data from measuring from the bottom of a spinning top, Doji Star, to the next all-time high before things plummeted. So with that said, we'll start this off with the 2014 run-up. We bounced off this 50 moving average, roughly 50%. That is very interesting to me. Let's go and check what happened in 2017, 2018. As you can see, this did try to bounce above this cloud here, but was unsuccessful. Let's measure from this Doji Star right here. Again, what we can measure is about a 51%. So we could argue that the median might be 53% right now. I'm going to go ahead and measure 2019 because I think we would have seen this price action here occur in later 2019 had the pandemic not impacted all of us. So what I want to do here is measure this spinning top to this next high before things really crashed. Even with the coronavirus, we still have a bounce off the 50 moving average. And what I think, a 51%, that's significant. And what we're seeing is this average of around maybe 52 to 53% bounces off the 50 moving average, especially when significant bullish movement has occurred prior. So where are we going from here? Well, if we use this metric here this week of July 19th as the spinning top, what we're going to see here, folks, is you go up 53%. That puts us at a $45,000 Bitcoin. That's very interesting to me. So let's go ahead and mark this on the horizon. 45,000 seems like a pretty fun number to be playing with Bitcoin at. I'm not going to lie. Now, let's try to use Fibonacci time sequence to figure out when the next important date for Bitcoin might be. If we would have gone ahead, measured Fibonacci time sequence back in the third week of May, we would have known that July 26th, the week of July 25th, this was going to be a very important date for Bitcoin. This was predetermined back in mid-May, folks. Predetermined. And what we can do is see this bounce. So I would love to see Bitcoin stay above this cloud here. And ideally, what I would like to see Bitcoin do is maybe form an ascending triangle from here. I think if this happens and we see price action kind of bounce above this cloud, I don't want to see any penetrating going on through this cloud here because that is an instant kill for Bitcoin in all other previous examples of its existence, especially on the weekly chart. So if we glide smoothly from here, folks, I think it's over. But if we can stay on top of this cloud, which is going to be very important, especially when it comes to trading hike and ashy candles, I don't want to see any wicks on the bottom of these full-bodied candles occurring. And in the last video I made, I was adamant that we might be getting manipulated. So don't let this euphoria get to your head quite yet until the numbers are in. Let's measure a little bit of Fibonacci extension here. Importantly enough, we can see Bitcoin is toying with the 61.8% level. This is a very powerful Fibonacci level, and it will be a very hard time for Bitcoin to hop on the other side of it. But if it does, folks, that is going to be great news for Bitcoin. I'm curious to see what the Fibonacci channel might look like as well for this. And interestingly enough, there's really an intersection of time sequence, Fibonacci channeling, that could land us at around this $55,000 level sometime around October 4th. I'm not going to discount that. But if this breaks down and we start trading back through this $30,000 level, folks, it's game over for Bitcoin. And this would be one heck of a corrective wave. So I hope you guys found this video fun, and we'll check in on Bitcoin over the next few days to see if we get the pump fake or if we get the hole in one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button.